Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 4x3 accordion book. This took about 20 minutes. It's great for having little notes or on the go like little drawings. It has 8 full pages. So the things that you're going to need to make this are a pencil, a ruler, an X-Acto knife or scissors, whichever you prefer. I use the X-Acto knife because it helps me make straighter cuts. Tape to tape everything together, and a piece of cardboard to cut with the X-Acto knife so you don't cut your table or anything. You will also need 2 sheets of regular printer paper, 1 sheet of 12x12 cardstock, your choice of color, this will be the cover, and then 1 sheet of 12x12 designer paper. This is optional. This will make the sleeve of the book, make it a little bit prettier. Alright, so getting started, we are going to make the cover. To make your cover, you take your 12x12 cardstock and you measure 4 inches on either way. So 4 inches here, you will mark with your pencil, 4 inches. And then you do the exact same on the other side. You measure 4 inches. This way, by having a mark on both sides, you can line up the ruler to make a straight cut after you take your pencil and make another line. Straight. Okay, so once you do that and you take your X-Acto knife or scissor and cut it, you will have a 4x12 strip of cardstock. This will be your cover. So then you take your ruler again and you find the halfway mark, which is 6 inches. So then about 1/8 of an inch on either side, you will make marks, and you do the same on the bottom. After you make your marks, you connect them again using the ruler on both sides. This will help you make your spine. So once you connect the lines, you take the short edges and fold towards the middle lines. Sharp, crisp folds are the best way to go in this situation. Repeat on the other, and now you have your cover and your spine. Now, making the pages. You take your printer paper, and you mark 4 inches again, top and bottom, line it up and cut. You do the same with the other half, and then on your 2 sheets, from your 2 sheets of printer paper, you will get 4 strips of paper. Now, on to making the accordions. You take your first sheet and you fold it in half, like such. And then you take your short edge, flip it around and fold toward the edge you just folded. Now repeat with the other side. This gives you your first accordion. Repeat with the other strips of paper. Now, after you have all of your accordions done, you start connecting them together. You put them back to back like this so that you have them in like a T, like that. You take your piece of tape, make it a little bit bigger than the height of the book, and you tape together. You fold over, connecting. Now, you do the rest with the other 4 pieces. Once you've done all that, you take your cover and you start connecting. So you do the same to where it's like a T. That way you know it's going to fold right. You take your tape, you do it again, do the same with the back. This one's a bit tricky because it's kind of hard to get it right, but if you maneuver it, it'll flip around. You tape it as well. Now, flip it back, fold everything back together, and you have your accordion book. Now, here's for the optional part. You choose your design paper. It's a 12x12 sheet, and you do the same as you've done with everything else. You take it and measure it and cut it to a little bit less than 4 inches, probably 3. That way it'll leave an outline on your book. So then after you've cut that strip, You also make it, instead of 12 full inches, 11. That way it'll leave you just a little bit of room. So after you've done that, you fold it over your book, and then you tape it to the inside, your front cover and your back cover. And there you have your 4x3 accordion book with a little pizzazz. Thank you.